Hey everybody, it is your girl Letitia and I am back with another video. This is going to be a super fun, colorful teal glitter look. If you guys are interested on how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to start off the look by applying my base. I'm using a concealer, packing it on. Then I'm going in with my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and packing that shade Mulberry in the crease. Starting off with the darkest shade and just packing it on. Just pack it on. Pack on. When we're done, it should look like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and buff out, blend the edges with Saturn in the Anastasia Prism palette. And this is going to give that really nice, warm transition shade without compromising the depth of the burgundy shade. Now I just go back and forth between Mulberry and Saturn, switching palettes, making sure that the pigmentation is where I want it. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with a concealer, making sure it's sharp and clean and crisp. Now, I'm going to go into a shade. I initially went into the shade by MAC. And here I'm grabbing my Fix Plus because it just wasn't giving me the pigmentation that I wanted. And it was in the shade in the shadows. But later on, I was like, the color I'm looking for is right in the Prism palette. And that is Throne. So I'm packing Throne on there. Wet my brush, making sure pigmentation is bomb, crisp, and clean. And yeah. Matching up the next side. Then I decided to go back into Mulberry to kind of blend the two colors together with the teal and the burgundy. But that wasn't giving me the depth that I wanted. So I went in with Noor in the Soft Glam palette very softly and just buffing it in so I can get a little bit more depth. I really wasn't knowing where the look was going. So I was just like, let me just roll with it. So here is where the look went from 0 to 100. I took a teal glitter that I ordered online and I just sprayed Fix Plus because I wasn't going for like a crazy glitter look and just packed it on my lid. And that's when I was just like, okay, sis. Okay. We're going somewhere. Look at how pretty that is. It just pops. Now I'm doing my foundation routine. This is mainly going to be an eye look tutorial, but I wanted to quickly show you guys a run through of how I do my foundation. Just mix it. But before we go there, I gotta, get my edges out to play. You see what edges do to you? But I'm going to go ahead and get my favorite Morphe brush and I'm just blending my foundation in. Use two different foundations, CoverGirl True Matte and Danessa Vision Cover Cream, to give me that nice full coverage look. Don't forget your neck, ladies. And now I'm going to go in with my Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to leave the shade of the foundation products in the description box because I don't really know, right now. But I'm taking that, I'm going to highlight my face. Everybody knows how to highlight. This is going to be an intermediate tutorial, which means you already know the basics. So, and then I just wanted to be extra and add my NARS Creamy Radiance, which I know that shade. That was Amande. Blending everything out with that same brush. And then Fenty Beauty Espresso contour stick to kind of carve out my cheeks on my face. Make sure I'm snatched. Blending it out by stamping it so it stays exactly where I put it. And just getting that forehead, that 5 head together. And then my tried and true product, my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42 to set my concealer. This is bomb, guys. You don't even need to bake anymore. And then I'm going to go with the same powder but an NC47 to mesh all the powders together and set my whole face. Now I'm going in with my MAC times Mariah Carey loose highlighter. That highlighter is poppin', okay? Don't sleep on it. I know you can't get any more, but if you can get your hands on it, please do. And then, you know, I cannot forget to snatch that nose because, sis. You know, I was just feeling myself on my edges, you know, got that fresh perm. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing liner with the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I didn't realize this liner was shiny. How come y'all didn't tell me? I'm out here with shiny liner. That ain't cute. Then I'm just doing my eyeliner, setting my black eyeliner with Noir from the Soft Glam palette, and then just buffing the edges out with Saturn from the Prism palette. Popping on some lashes. And you know, I was like, once you got the lashes and eyeliner on, you're like, okay, my look is coming together, feeling yourself, shaku shaku for them. And then I'm doing my lips. Chestnut lip liner, the best brown lip liner there is by MAC. I think my lips were all MAC, actually, yeah. The Aaliyah Try Again lipstick, RIP baby girl. And then going in with obviously Bare by MAC to top it all off. And there you guys have it. With the teal glitter, it just makes it pop. If you guys wanted to see more content from me, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys. Bye.